We're actually having the event with our main customers for aquaculture, where we look at, let's say, the operational guys, the technical guys, because everybody knows and acknowledges that we have good quality. It's just we want to show what is behind it. Let them see the reality. All the checks that we do during production process, all the inspection, the way we produce things, the way why we do things. So it's easier to explain it, seeing the factory, seeing the different stages, the quality control in the stages. So it's not just its quality, we prove why.
We buy shackles and mooring plates, steel rings and chains, and the reason why is because it's good quality and it's decent products. It's interesting to see how everything's being made in the factory, especially all the processes and all the machinery. So I think I enjoyed the whole trip.
Thank you a lot for your invitation. For me, it's fantastic, the factory, because we have now clear the idea, the situation about the product that we buy from this company. And I show all the different quality procediments to the manufacturing and the quality control, because for me, Lonevåg and Crosby, well, Kito, all the company is safe company to the mooring systems and the working from the installation that we do it.
Trabajamos con material nuevo para acuicultura, en grilletes, cadenas, elementos de unión y demás material para los aparejos. Me gustó poder ver cómo se llega a ese producto final que nosotros compramos, desde el proceso inicial hasta el producto para comercializar.